Ayush, a curious 10-year-old, sat at his kitchen table, a glass of cold milk and a spoon by his side. He carefully added a spoonful of sugar to his milk, stirring gently. To his amazement, the white sugar crystals seemed to vanish, leaving behind only sweet, milky liquid. A moment later, he remembered his father's task, filling a bucket with water for the garden. He'd noticed the sand at the bottom of the bucket, no matter how much his dad stirred it. Why does the sugar disappear? Ayush wondered, but the sand just stays there. His grandmother, noticing his puzzled expression, smiled. That, Ayush, is a fascinating question about chemistry. When you stir sugar into milk, you're making a solution. Milk, being mostly water, acts as a solvent, and the sugar is the solute. Water molecules are very tiny and have a special way of pulling apart the individual sugar molecules. They surround each sugar molecule, breaking its bonds with other sugar molecules until they are evenly spread throughout the milk. It's like a crowd of tiny dancers, each finding a partner and then moving around the dance floor individually. But sand, she continued, is different. Sand is mostly made of silica, and its particles are much larger and don't attract water molecules in the same way sugar does. Water molecules can't easily break apart the strong bonds within the sand particles. Instead of dissolving, the sand particles just stay as separate tiny rocks. When you stir them, they might move around for a bit, but gravity quickly pulls the heavy sand particles back down to the bottom of the bucket, forming a suspension rather than a true solution. So, the big difference, his grandmother concluded, is called solubility. Sugar is soluble in milk and water because its molecules can be pulled apart and spread out by the water molecules. Sand, however, is insoluble in water. Its particles are too big and too strongly bonded for water molecules to break them apart and hold them up. One forms a clear, stable solution, and the other forms a temporary mixture where the particles eventually separate. It's all about how well the solute and solvent can mix at a molecular level. Ayush nodded, understanding the sweet science behind his morning drink.